Welcome back everyone, and in this video we will see how we can install the Xcode IDE which we will use to develop iPhone and iPad apps in this course. So basically there are two options which you can choose. The first one is you can download the DMG file and you can install it manually in your MacBook. So basically you will require a developer account. You can easily create by clicking create Apple ID. I already have it, so I will just click sign in. So basically I have two-factor authorization enabled. That's why it is asking for my password which I have received on my phone. So you can see that I have successfully signed into my developer account. So here you can see that there are different downloads available for Xcode. So basically this is Xcode 8.2 beta. You can download this if you want, but I will advise you not to download the beta version because it is not stable. So I will advise you to download the Xcode 8.1, which is the latest stable version right now. So basically what you have to do is you have to just click this download Xcode 8.1 and it will automatically start the downloading for you. The Xcode file is quite large, it is around 4.7 GB, so it will take a lot of time to download, and after that you can simply install the Xcode and it will automatically run. And the second method which you can use to install Xcode is by using the Mac App Store. So basically on your Mac you have to just open your App Store, and in the search bar you have to just type Xcode and press enter. So you can see that the first result is Xcode. Just click it and you can see that here I have the option of updating, but if you have not downloaded it yet, you will get the option to download Xcode 8. You can simply click download, which will be shown here, and it will automatically download as well as install Xcode on your Mac machine. So here you can see that it is free for everyone and the size is 4.47 GB. So basically this is the requirement for developing iOS apps. So before watching the next video, you have to download Xcode and install it in your MacBook so that we can start by building iOS apps from the next video. See you in the next video.